So a quick reminder when you're doing warehouses, I'll talk loudly since we're in there. Warehouses or industrial spots, I always encourage everybody to have EMT stalks. Your low voltage is going to take a beating. So just regular EMT, a strap, bushing fitting, and then mud flap conduit box. You can do cable tray if your budget allows for it. This is a great interpretation. This is new. That's the old school style. So anybody who's been out in the business for a while, that's the older, thicker one. Right now that suffices. Just unit thread down and bada boom, bada bing. Transition pieces, joiner pieces, and then you have the guys right now, they're doing terminations in the IT room, which I won't bother them. But again, when a lot of times I say, hey, do you want stock? Now, as a rule of thumb, we'll go about from the box to about 10 foot up. We won't go all the way up there unless you really have the budget and you really are in an industrial situation where you really need that. So we cater to everybody in the Philadelphia, New Jersey area, cable tray, conduit, and a little bit of network cabling, and also door access. Door access is huge. Brevo, Verkada, whatever you guys want, we'll find a good solution for that. So next video, I'll show you the door access. But again, stalks, anybody who's new, that's a great thing to do. Mimic, parallel the electric, and that way we'll keep your low voltage secure for years.